back to day 6 of unboxing this 15 days of Beatles Socks advent calendar. So we have a bigger door today right here, this green one with a pink heart on it. No clues or hints on what this one is, so I just want to tear into it. I really have no idea what's behind this one. Still hoping for like yellow sub or help or something, but literally anything would be good. Come on. Trying to do this without like ripping all the other doors in the process, which is surprisingly harder than it seems like it would be or should be. So we have another pair of tall sockies, and okay, so they're tall gray socks with the green apples that literally say apple on them. I like these a bit better than the other apple socks, but I mean, I feel like we could have tried harder. Like, really, of all the Beatle things you could have done on socks. Maybe if we had done these instead of the other pair and then done something better compared to the other pair instead of it, I don't know. We could have done better, but these aren't bad. They're cute. They are cute. I'll give them that. So, which means our next door is another blue background with a red heart on it. And clearly, I am terrible at guessing, so do you guys have any guesses of what's behind this door? Leave it down below. And as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy. Everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.